Hi guys, it's Cassie with Harlow's Earth, and today we're going to be talking about UTIs and how to cure them naturally with Cures from the Kitchen. So this simple remedy to treat your UTI will take under an hour for you to be feeling better. It is amazing and super cheap, and for sure you have it at your house already. What is it? Baking soda! Baking soda is the awesome neutralizer. I'm sure you already have this in your fridge. Cloudiness. Cheers to your health. Okay, it really doesn't taste bad. It just tastes different. I wouldn't even call it an acquired taste, but it's totally fine. So drink a whole glass of that and then make yourself another. Or everybody's favorite, apple cider vinegar. So you just take a bit, pour in a generous tangy amount. I like to add a little bit of honey to mine. Give it a wee bit of sweetness. And of course, some turmeric. Awesome. Maybe even some black pepper if you like. Oh, delicious. This is like a tangy kombucha drink. I recommend not using very cold water because you want your honey to actually mix together well. Apple cider vinegar. It's tangy. It's totally like kombucha. It's good. Now the point of all this is to make your body as alkaline as possible. So getting rid of any of the acidity in your diet, at least while you have the UTI, so coffee, wine, sugar, just cut it all out. Stick to really neutral, healthy foods. Hope it works for you. Let me know in the comments how it works, and I'll see you soon.